Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no games. I wanna fall in love, fall in love. I'll be your savage, I'll be your baddest. Or do you like sweet caramel honey dipped? I'm yours till the beat flips. Don't let it slip.
What do you guys think of just all candles? It looks really modern, simple, kind of like a staging, but I think I need a little bit of greenery in there. So I added 2 greenery balls that I got from Dollarama a few years ago. What do you guys think about that? Does that look good? Or should I add some florals? So there's also this look with the green moss that I got from Dollarama. What do you think about that look? Well guys, this is how everything turned out. I really love it. A great way to get that luxe look for less is by doing some DIYs, upcycling and reusing things that you already have. Sort of like what I did here to create this little centerpiece for my dining room table. This is actually a candle that I had. What I did with it is I removed the remainder of the candle that was left in it. Once it was done, I cleaned it out. I adhered it using some glue from Dollarama. Sorry guys, that's my little grandson. And then the moss came from Dollarama. It was only $4. It's not as green as I want it to be, but it's still green. It looks really nice and just a really simple tablescape because I have a lot going on. My mats came from Amazon. These plates were thrifted. These ones are a set that I got from Walmart. Napkins from Walmart. My dining room table came from Wayfair a few years ago. My credenza, I've had it for a few years. It's part of a 8-seater table that I had many years ago. The lamps, if you're new, came from Winners a few years ago. The candlesticks came from Amazon. These ones came from Winners, and then the greenery balls came from Dollarama. And the canvases, I got them from Dollarama. They were about $4.50 each, and I think they're 8 by 24. And I love how my abstract art turned out. Really modern, goes well with my aesthetics, which is black and white. And then I decided to add the mirror wall metal piece that I got from Wayfair over the credenza. I think it looks much better because it's identical size to the credenza. And I love how everything turned out. Just a simple little refresh here in the dining room, just to give things a different look from what I normally have, like a vase there with greenery or big bushes of florals or whatever. So I wanted to do something a little different. And I also wanted to do something different here on the table. As you can see, I didn't add any charger plates. I didn't add any flatware. I didn't add any glasses or anything like that. Just keeping it really simple. Anyways, guys, this is all I have for you today. So if you enjoyed, please comment down below. It really helps my algorithm here on YouTube. And if you enjoy these types of videos, definitely subscribe, become part of the family here on Glam Designs by Anne. I love you for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed this little refresh and the DIYs that I did to give my dining room a new look. And don't forget to like, share this video. It might give, you know, a friend or a family some tips. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.